Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're just going to be looking at how to build a heart shape in Illustrator, and this is really the easiest way to do it, so hopefully you can follow along, and if you have a loved one that you'd like to build a heart shape for, then you'll appreciate this too. Okay, let's get started. Start a new project, and then the first tool you're going to select is the ellipse tool. All you want to do next is just create an ellipse and make the stroke color and the fill color the same, and I'm going to make them both red, and I'm going to do that by copying the hex code to both. Then you can do Ctrl C to copy the circle after it's selected, and then select Edit and Paste in Place. It's important to select Paste in Place because that pastes the object straight back into the same position that it was copied from. Once you've done that, you can select with the Shift button and use either the arrow keys or the mouse button to drag the new circle across to the position about the same spacing as what you can see that I've done on my screen. Then using the rectangle tool, make the rectangle fit from the middle point to the bottom and then to the top of each of the circles like shown. Then if you come up to the top menu and look at View and then change to GPU Preview, and you can see a better view of the intersecting lines there to make sure you've lined them all up correctly. Once the object is selected, you can click on the Pathfinder button and then click Unite. Then select the Rotate tool as shown. Then rotate the object 45 degrees. Once you've done that, then copy it and select again Paste in Place. Then select Object, Transform and Reflect. Then once both objects are on top of each other and they're selected, click on Pathfinder and Pathfinders, and there's a Dissect button. Just click on that. Then with the Layers tab, just remove the redundant parts that leave you with the heart object only. And there we have our final heart shape. So hope you liked that tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe and like to the channel. Thanks, bye.